Tired of wasting time hunting for the Jira dashboard link? Here is exactly how to copy and share any dashboard URL in 30 seconds. We will open your Jira account, navigate to the dashboard, and copy the link using the paperclip icon. Let us go. So start by logging into your Jira instance. I always recommend opening this in a fresh browser tab, especially if you have multiple Atlassian accounts. It just keeps things clean. Go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you are in, you will see the main interface. Take a second to let everything load. It can be a busy screen, but we are looking for something specific. Now, look at the left sidebar. This is the main navigation hub for the whole application. You will see a list of options like projects, issues, filters, and boards. What we need is the one labeled Dashboards. Click on that, and it will take you to the full list of dashboards available to you. In my experience, this is where most people get tripped up. They try to grab a link from the browser address bar while they are still on this list page. That does not work because that URL just points to the list, not the specific dashboard you want to share. From the list, pick the dashboard you want to share. Just click on its name. This will open that specific dashboard view. Now, pay attention to this one. The screen reconfigures to show you all the gadgets and data for that dashboard. You know you are in the right spot because the URL in your browser changed to something that includes the dashboard ID number. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You will see a row of buttons and options. One of them looks like a small paperclip. That is the link sharing icon. Click on it. When you hover over it, it usually says Copy Dashboard Link. That is exactly what we want. This is the correct way to pull that URL. It is a feature built right into Jira to ensure the link works for other people who have permission to see it. The link is now ready. A small pop-up appears and the URL is automatically copied to your clipboard. You will see a brief confirmation message. Now open your email, Slack, Teams, or wherever you communicate with your team. Paste the link in and send it off. They will be able to click that and land directly on the dashboard you wanted them to see. No more guessing if they ended up on the right page. And that is it. You went from digging around the interface to grabbing the right link in a few clicks. Next time someone asks you for a dashboard, you will know exactly what to do. Happy sharing!